Ever faced the mighty Pierce with his trusty controller, Trixie.
Oh, what is that?
Is that coming from the basement?
It must be the Smalls partying.
Well, new strange jaw. Go down and tell them to be quiet.
They're really pretty harmless. So, which one of you's gonna talk to them?
What happened to the mighty Pierce?
Hey, I'm great at games. I'm not so good at real life.
Well, I'm not going. I've still got a scar for when they cut my hair for their winter coats.
And I'm very busy right now, Pierce.
I've got to do this on my own. I can't do this on my own. Oh, strawberries. Hello? Is everyone okay? Skelly? What happened here?
Mighty Pierce the Big has come to save us all. Huzzah! 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 Huzzah!
Strawberries.
Cazadores de mostruos, pequeños misteriosos.
For months we lived in peace here in our small kingdom, until the beast attacked.
So the noise down here wasn't partying?
No.
The beast has devastated our food supply. We have nothing left.
We're down to our last mango. Thank you for coming to lead us against this vile fiend. It will surely tremble before the mighty Pierce.
You know my gamer tag?
Every small has heard tell of mighty Pierce and his noble companion, Trixie.
We subscribe to your adventure.
Army, we need you.
The crypto market is right now at
Be led into battle by a pig? I'd rather shave my beard.
I agree. I'm not really a leader. That's Charlie, or Q, and I'm not really a small. I'm a big. This really isn't any of my business. Elsie wants you to keep it down, okay?
Keep it down. You propose a good solution. Elf Queen? There. Now you are one of us. Behold, mighty Pierce, the small. That's it. Charlie, Q, start boxing up anything that looks like a toy. I want it all gone. Hey, those aren't toys. They are collectibles.
Collectibles? Wait, people pay money for these? What kind of price range are we talking here?
Look what the beast has done to us. He attacks at nightfall without fail.
How can I fight anything if I'm 2 inches tall?
Size does not matter. Your warrior's heart and mind is what we need. Now, let us meet your army. My people, we have a new hope. He is brave, wise, and he is here to lead us to victory. Tell your army your plans. Tell your army your plans. Go on.
So, ooh, what if we just, hid in the castle and hang out till it all blows over?
Is he for real?
How can he save us against this enemy? Look what the beast does to the best of us. I can still fight, boss. Tell me what you want me to do.
just going to go and, think of my strategy. I'll be right back.
Is he coming back? He must, or we truly are finished.
Guys, where are you? I need your help. I can't do this alone. Hey, Charlie, you guys.
Charlie, do you think Pierce is going to be upset that Helsing wants us to get rid of all the toys?
Helsing's getting rid of the smalls?
They're noisy neighbours, Q. Pierce gave them the option to stop being noisy, but they didn't take it. Ooh, how much you think we could get for this?
Trixie.
Charlie, we can't sell that. Pierce painted it himself.
I always thought it was enchanted or something.
It gives Pierce confidence when he games, so maybe, in a way, it is.
Prepare yourself for the mighty Pierce.
Close the doors. Guard that mango with your life. It is all we have to survive.
My lord, he has abandoned us.
Typical Big. What do we do now? We fight on. It will be a pleasure to die by your side, my queen.
And it was a pleasure to have lived by yours.
Son of a Big. He's back. Little Pierce is back.
I want 2 squadrons on the east, ready to jump on it.
Yes, sir. Straight away, sir.
If the beast has a tail, aim for that.
Yes, sir. Hop, 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 hop. Madness. Why should we listen to you?
Because I'm not alone. I have this.
Trixie.
With this in my hands, we're unbeatable. It will bring out the best in all of you. Attention!
The beast approaches.
Listen up. Every big boss has a weakness. And there is power in your plastic. I can see it. Get ready. Game on.
Left flank. Hold.
Now, jump on it. Right flank. Around the back. Elf Queen. Attack now.
Ice Blast!
Come get it.
No, it's all we have.
Do it. Yes, Lord, to the cage. Now.
Pierce, you did it.
We did it.
I thought I told you to get rid of these things.
Whoa, what happened down here?
All the toys are busted. No one's gonna pay top dollar for this. Ah! Oh no. Trixie?
It's okay.
Pierce?
I don't think I need her anymore. I'm pretty good at real life after all.
This is where you've been? I thought you were in the toilet.
Now that you've caught... I'll ignore the noise if you do. Plus, all the pocket biscuits you can eat.
The food drought is over!
Will you help us in this quest? Lead us one more crazy time. Three huzzahs for mighty Pierce the Big, our new leader. Huzzah! Huzzah! Huzzah!
I guess I'm going to